An item that makes the room even more cozy is the nightstand. In this video we brought inspirations for you, who still don't have these tips. Be surprised, or if you have, and are a little discouraged with it, and want to do a renovated for example. We go to creative models. The barrels are up for decoration in any room, and in the room it could not be different. Just give the desired color and welcome new created. Who says you can't improvise in style? See these cut tree trunks as a support for the lamp and for items you want to keep close to the bed. Those stools that are in the kitchen or in the rest area can also be charming nightstands for your room, whether with a touch of customization or not. Have you ever thought that books can become an ally in the organization of your room? That's right. It may be that they are stacked in some corner there in your room, but in a corner that is wrong. How about leaving them next to the bed or using it as an auxiliary mobile? You can go further, using wood and ropes to create a created or suspended shelf style. Look at this unusual tip. Chests stacked as support can be several or just one, becoming a chest servant. For sure, after these tips, if you don't already have a nightstand, you will look for something there and make yours. Did you like the tips? If so, leave your like to help us bring you more cool inspirations and economic tips for you. If you are not registered yet, run and subscribe. Activate not to miss Nadina and tell us there in the comments what was your reaction when you found out this amount of possibilities for bedside tables to be space. We're waiting for the next video, huh? Until then.